Hello everyone, welcome back to a new episode of your Python series. You are watching JLabs. In today's session, we are diving into one of the most important concept that is called data type in Python. So let's kick the things off. Python, data type, data type, like many data types are there. One is like integer, okay, and one is like string, like a string and float, okay, and then boolean and one data type is that is known, okay, known. So basically like it supports like a consider that integer, like it support from positive, negative, zero, okay. So it supports like a negative, okay, negative plus jtive plus zero as well, okay. For example, like it is supports you know let's suppose like a 21, okay, 21, 21 and minus 21 and 0, okay. So string is like like if you are something, if you are quoted with a double quote or a single quote or triple single quote, then it will consider as a string. Let's suppose like um, Jayadeva, and like if you are quoted with like a Jay Deva in single quote, okay, so it will take care of this. And if you are also triple single quote, uh, uh, so like that also it will support as a string, okay. In a, and float is nothing but like anything after decimal, like let's suppose 3.476, okay, 4.65, like that is considered as a boolean, no, sorry, that is considered as a float. And boolean is nothing but like true or false, okay. True that you can take care of like the first letter of true is like capital, okay, and false. And like if you are using small letter, it won't work, okay. And like a one floor, like a non is a different, like a, let's suppose like if you are assigning on class a equal to non, okay. So non is like nothing you are assigning, okay. So that is okay. So then go to like let's execute those things in our like Visual Studio Code. Let's open the Visual Studio Code first. Yeah, let's commit here. 1 second. Okay. So open the folder, that is Python. Yeah, yeah. So in let's suppose like let's suppose like we can, yeah, integer. Okay, let's suppose integer like a, let's suppose a equal to 23. Okay, so like if you are printing uh, printing printing a, okay, so it will print a 23. Like if you are printing also type of a, it will print the integer, okay. So that the type function I'll discuss later while we'll discuss the like a function and all. That time I'll discuss like a what is type method and all. Okay. So yeah, here you can see the it will print the type of that data type and all, right? So let's suppose like 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 a name, okay, name name equal to Jaydeva, okay, Jaydeva. Let's suppose name one equal to, let's suppose in single quote, okay. So single quote, you can keep Jaydeva, and in let's suppose like in name three, okay, name two, okay. So here you can single, okay, Jaydeva, okay. So here, you can print name one, name two. So let's run that code. Yeah, here every time like it is printing Jaydeva, okay. So if you are print also type, okay, what is the type of that data type? Okay, let's run the code. Yeah, you can see like every time it is printing, like a string. Okay, what happened here? Oh, yeah, I have not written type. Okay, so let's print the type. Like you can every time it will print the structure. That means all the three format it will support as a string. Okay, so let's discuss regarding float. Okay, so like let's suppose like I'm assigning one integer like a float into a variable that is 4.34. Okay, so if I print the type of that a, so definitely it will print the float. Let's yeah, float you can print like that we can assign float value to the variable. And regarding non, let's suppose like a is non, okay, non. So if you print the type of a, the non type it is printing, right? So yeah. So and yeah, boolean I forgot like a, so let's suppose like uh, a equal to true, okay, sorry, true, okay. So if I print a over here, okay, so type of a, then it will print the boolean. Let's suppose like if you are instead of a capital letter, like if you make it like small one, okay, so it will give you error, okay. If you run also it will give error like a, true is not defined, it means true, okay. So you need to make it capital, so it will be recognized by the Python, okay. Yeah, like a same like if you are printing false, okay. So it will print same as the boolean value. Like if you are trying to hit with the like small letter, then it will not print. Okay, I mean it will give a error. Okay, so it's a, even like it is giving the compilation error. It is not compiling as well. Okay, that's all about the data type of Python. We'll meet the next session. Okay, thank you so much.